Well, hello, Williams, Philippines. It's about 1 o'clock on Tuesday. Had to stop and think about it. A lot of things on the mind today. Having to think back and remembering, the reasons behind Memorial Day and all those that are gone. Yeah. Anyway, there's a lot of folks that served over there in different this and that's. Yeah. I was caught a copy of or watched the We Were Soldiers, and one of those bits I remember seeing the names on the TV of those that were lost live on TV. Yeah. When you have family over there, it's a whole nother story. Don't get me wrong, my dad was Air Force, so he wasn't in that bad a danger. But he was still over there and shit still happened. Dad didn't die over there. He got to make it all the way to 2005, was it? Yeah, 2005, I think. But he did his share over there. Yeah, Dad got 23 3/4, if I remember right. He did his time. Got to see a whole lot of the U.S. because of it. Yeah, it is kind of coming out of this weekend. Makes you think. A lot of folks didn't get back. Anyway, confirmed dead. It does not register. I pulled it out and put it in the last possible thing I could to see if it would. It does not get seen. I don't know what the problem is with it, because it should be able to work, but nothing sees it. So, yay. It is what it is. Anyway, yeah. Doing the Chewy and all the drives there. That's a fun one. I really do think I'm just going to let that thing, put the old drive in it and let somebody have it for $50. Let somebody else have the nightmare. But it is decent computer considering. And it would do what I want it to do, want to use it for. It's kind of why I bought it, It'd be nice if it had more memory like it was supposed to. It'd be nice if it had the bigger hard drive like it's supposed to, and it all worked together. Yeah. I don't know. We'll keep playing with it for a little while before I make my decision as to what to do with it and toss it out or keep it or sell it. I don't know. Anyway, yeah. Couldn't get out to mow yesterday. Can't get out to mow today. It's wet out there. mower ain't gonna do that. So I guess I'll try next week when it's actually supposed to be dry again. I looked at the weather and oh lordy, it's supposed to be wet. It is what it is. Yeah. I don't know why it is, but we always need the rain up here, so I'm never going to disparage it. But when I want to mow, yeah, it shows up. Trying to mess with me, I guess. Yeah. Little bits and pieces off into boxes. The more stuff I get put away, the better. Trying to decide, what's going over there, what's going to Aunt Cat's, and what's going to garage sale, and what's going to get shipped over in some boxes. Again, whole bunch of thought process there. Anyway, I am enjoying the little Mac Mini. Got a couple things cleaned out and fixed up on it so that it's running back like it should. Apparently the program I've tried to install didn't uninstall right, and it was fighting a bunch of stuff. Learning curve. I'm new to Mac. So, yay. But I can say honestly, I put the little Mac Mini, I used it for a good 6+ hours last night, and then about an hour and a half this morning after I got back home. And yeah, I had, I think, 42% left. So, yeah. Good, like I say, a good solid 6 hours at work. And yeah, I think it was closer to 6.5. So I got a good 8 hours out of it without trying, of watching videos at work and doing this, that, and the other, moving a few things. Yeah, downloaded a ISO to go on a thumb drive to try and fix the little server Mac Mini from 2010. I'm gonna see if I can get it up. I don't know. I still want to play with that one too. As crazy as that is. I don't know. Sorry. A little on the tired side. Anyway, yeah. Getting some things done. Not as much as I would like to have. Always seems to take longer, and stuff's always fighting. It is what it is. Anyway, I hope you've had a blessed day. This is William Williams Philippines. Come along for the like, comment, subscribe. Come along for the insanity or whatever. It's about to get a lot better when I get to the Philippines. I am so ready for that. Not that far off anymore. Feel like I'm always behind. Anyway, lots of food, lots of friends, lots of family. And again, more food. Come along, comment, like, subscribe, do all that stuff. And I guess we'll catch you later. I'm Fish, and hey, Fish is out. Have a blessed week. Later, bye.